Virabhadrasana, also known in English as Warrior 2. Do not practice if you have a cardiac condition, palpitations, heartburn or diarrhea. From Samasthiti, stand with the feet wide apart, trunk erect. Place the hand on the waist. Turn the right leg out to 90 degrees and the left foot in slightly. Keep the center of the torso vertical and lift both sides of the trunk evenly. Exhale and bend the right leg to a right angle, keeping the knee in line with the ankle. The shin is kept perpendicular to the floor. The left leg remains straight and left foot on the floor. Inhale, straighten the leg, turn the foot to face forward and repeat the steps on the left side. With the options of the arms spread, from standing in Samasthiti, repeat on the right but with the arms spread. Keep the torso vertical and the chest lifted. Extend the arms out to the sides in line with the shoulders. To come out of the pose, inhale, take the hands on the waist, straighten the leg, come up, turn to the front and repeat on the other side. This pose can be done for 20 to 30 seconds initially. Thereafter, gradually increase as much as you can without strain. The benefits of Virabhadrasana: it improves breathing capacity by expanding the chest. It helps in the treatment of a prolapsed or slipped disc. It alleviates the condition of a broken, fused or deviated tailbone. It also relieves lower backache.